Want to know how to recreate and upgrade heroes effectively? King's Road? Well, no worries. So, recreating and upgrading heroes is the backbone of your King's Road team. First, always pay attention to hero banners and events because they often feature rare heroes with higher stats and better skills. Pulling during these events give maximum value. So once you have all of your heroes, focus on upgrading your main team first. So once you focus on your main team, everything else just follows up. Level them up, unlock skills, and equip the best gear. Your main team is what will carry you through story missions, PvP, and dreams. So make sure you also keep an eye on hero synergies and type advantages. Matching heroes with complementary skills will make your team much stronger. And that's it. You need to remember that smart requirement and upgrading strategy beats random farming. Make sure you build your team like a pro and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.